In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to groups in LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and explore the simple steps that will have you engaging and contributing to your LinkedIn groups in no time. First things first, you'll need to access LinkedIn. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log in. You have a few options here. If you haven't already signed in, you can conveniently use your Google or Microsoft account. However, if you're more of the traditional type, logging in with your email address and password works just as well. Make sure to have these details handy for a seamless login experience. For those of you who have enabled two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your registered phone number. Simply enter that code in the designated field, and you'll be good to go. With these steps completed, you're now successfully logged in, and it's time to navigate to the group section. Begin by clicking on your profile picture, located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, direct yourself to the Groups section, usually found in the left pane. This is your gateway to all the groups you're part of on LinkedIn. Once you're in the group screen, you'll notice a list under Your Groups. Scroll through this section until you locate the group you're interested in posting to. Click on your preferred group, and you'll be taken to its homepage, the hub of all group activities. Here, you get the chance to engage with fellow members. Now comes the exciting part, sharing your thoughts with the group members. Look for the text box that prompts you with, "What do you want to talk about?" This is your canvas for expression. Whether you're posing a question, sharing an update, or providing an insightful piece of information, ensure that your content resonates with the group's interests and encourages productive interaction. Before hitting that post button, take a moment to proofread your text. You'll want to avoid any typos or errors to keep your post polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with your content, you're ready to share. Tap on the post button confidently. With that tap, your message will be shared with all the members of the group, sparking conversations and fostering valuable connections. And that's it, a quick and straightforward guide to posting in LinkedIn groups. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming an active and influential member of your LinkedIn communities. Thanks for tuning in.